Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage for Morning Market Stir for Monday, December 9th. Well, the bulls are back in town. Nice surge on Friday, pushed the markets up within striking distance of the all-time highs once again. We had the S&P up 21 points, 1805. 1806 was the session high on Monday. It was a gain of 1.1% on the S&P. Dow futures up 196, a gain of 1.25%, 16,013, and we saw the Nasdaq making new not all-time highs, new decade-plus highs, 3504 up 25. The dollar index flatline up 8 points, 8032. The low was 823, 8023, so it is pushing to the downside. That pushed the euro currency up 20, 136.96, 137.09 was the high, and the euro currency gained 112 points on the week last week. Bonds made a push to the downside, low of 128.01, but it ended up only being down 2 points, 2 ticks anyways, 128.29. So that 128.01 went down to that 128 low that we've seen past few months ago when rates made their highs. Crude oil up 27 cents, 97.65, 98.07 was a session high to keep an eye on. And lastly, gold lost $20 on the week, but was only down 3 on Friday at 12.29. So after the surge last week, where do the markets stand here this Monday morning to start a new trading week? Well, we're unchanged right now, 1805, 1804. 1804 or so was the close the week before. So the markets did get back to positive on the week to extend that streak of weekly gains. Dow futures were actually negative on the week, but they closed at, right now they're trading at 16,008, down 5. So fought back to the unchanged level in the Dow. The upside resistance in the S&P is 1812.5. That's the all-time high to keep an eye on. Nasdaq keeps trucking along, 3508, up another 4 ticks. The dollar's down 8, 8024. That puts the euro currency up above 137. 137.17, up 20. Bonds are getting a little bit of a bounce after testing those lows last week and not getting through them. 129.13 up 16, which is up half a full point here. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.89. The 10-year note's at 2.85, so it's about 10 points above where it was Friday before Friday. So looking at crude oil. Crude oil's up a nickel right now, 97.60. Did gain $5 on the week last week after forming that base and getting back inside that trading channel between 93 and 95 and then breaking out to the upside. And lastly, we've got gold down $2 at 12.27. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market open, we're steady right now after the surge and recovery on Friday. 1805 is where we stand in the E-mini S&P unchanged and down 5 points in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.